Hello, we're the Hitchhikers. I'm Dries.
And I'm Jente.
And we are filming our very first video in Germany. We're standing in front of Fort Mont Royal in Traben Trarbach in the Rhineland-Pfalz region.
Well, it's a 17th century fort built on orders of Louis XIV by Vauban. It was built here because Louis had a big dream of that France would reach up until the Rhine, the river, and here he had his army stationed for about 10 years, but then after the Treaty of Rijswijk he was ordered to dismantle it already, so after 10 years already.
Yeah, big fortress gone in 10 years. Good enough for us. There's a ruin to check out. Let's see what it looks like.
Welcome to a couple of videos from nearly a year ago. In November 2021, we made a trip to the Mösel region in Germany. Near the German town of Traben Trarbach, the ruins of a mighty fortress are hiding beneath the foliage. It is the Fort Mont Royal, located high up on the hill on a peninsula in the river Mösel. This French fortress, designed by Vauban for the Sun King Louis XIV, only served its purpose of defending the French border for 10 years.
Construction of the fort began in 1687. It will be part of the fortress belt protecting the French border from Luxembourg up to Switzerland, and was part of the dream of Louis XIV to expand the French borders up to the Rhine.
The main fortress covered 50 hectares and was enclosed by ramparts up to 30 meters high and 3 kilometers in length. The famous French military architect Vauban designed 5 bastions, 3 towers and numerous outworks to produce a nearly impregnable fortress.
The fort could house 12,000 men and 3,000 horses, becoming a town in itself with its own court of law. Its armory and depots held enough munitions and supplies for a complete army. It served as an important base of operations for the Sun King's Rhine army.
The fate of Mont Royal was linked to the outcome of the War of the Palatinate Succession, also known as the 9 Years' War. The war ended in a peace settlement in 1697, in which Louis XIV had to give up any gains on the right bank of the Rhine. He had to surrender his dream of moving the French border to the Rhine, and the fortress of Mont Royal was subsequently dismantled and abandoned 1 year later.
That was the fort of Mont Royal. It's, in my arbitrary made-up rules, not a castle, so we're not going to give any scores, but I'm going to ask Jente what she thought of it.
Yeah, it was quite cool, although quite dilapidated. You laughed with me when I said Le Canois had quite entire walls, but in comparison to this, it really had entire walls.
Yeah.
But it was cool. like a lot of creepy holes we could discover.
Beautiful forest as well.
Yes.
Nice walk. Yeah, we're the history hikers. We're in Germany. We're gonna do some more stuff in Germany. Hopefully check out the ruin in the back. I don't know if you can see it. Still a teaser. Yeah, until next time. Thanks for watching. Give us the stuff.
Like, comment, subscribe if you have enjoyed this video. And auf Wiedersehen!
Bye!